Hi friends, setting up a tent is always a challenging when you're doing a camping. So I thought like I'll make a quick video where we have purchased this tent from Decathlon and it costed us about 5,700. Good for three people to sit in, and it had a very good features, especially when you look into the dimensions. Now, what I have seen is to set up this entire tent, it takes about 4 minutes or so, and unpacking takes another 4 minutes, and henceforth, this video is for 8 minutes. Uh, so, if you're planning for any campaign and if you want to pick up a best, you know, tent, I think this is one of the best for three people comfortably. You can sit, and second thing is, since it's a monsoon time, it would be great to have this kind of tent because it's rain protected, and it gives you the features to make sure that you install the entire tent within minutes, so you don't have to do a lot of heavy lifting. Even single person can set up this. So I thought like it would be great to show you this video. And since we have done this testing when we were in Decathlon, just to make sure that we also learn, so we learned it from them. So it was great to make sure that we fix up the things very quickly, and it was all plug and play kind of thing. Just fix it up, and everything would be set up within 4 minutes of your time. So stay tuned, guys. Just check and. This was worth because we have already done the testing. We picked it up about 2 months back, this one, but I'm putting this video now. In my previous videos, you would have seen me installing the tent in multiple camping sites, camping places. The only one thing I would say that you would need to buy a bed, and what we have picked up is air bed with a manual pump that I've shown you in my previous videos. That is must, that is required, and this is absolutely great when you put the cover. It is a rain protective, and the if you are using this in the summer, believe you me, it's going to be very hot. So that is what I can say. But quality wise, I think it is great to spend about 5,000 rupees or so to get something which is going to last for at least 5 years or so. This is what I can say that from my perspective. This is available online also. You can pick it up from online, from Decathlon or from Amazon. Both are available. So from my perspective, it is worth investing. If you are a good lover of doing a lot of camping around, in and around, and going to a place where it is raining heavily. As I told you that this is a monsoon time, this is going to help us a lot, and saves you from being drenched in the rain. Strength wise, I wouldn't say it is not that bad. It is amazingly great for three people. Again, I will say that. Stay tuned, guys. Follow the things. It's a very simple method to install the entire tent in 4.5 minutes time, which is good enough, and then packing can be done. Thank you, guys. So, guys, unpacking was much more simpler in comparison to what we have done the installations. It was quick enough to just unplug all the knobs and then just take out all the the rods and just fix it up properly. This is what I would say, that this was one of the quickest thing that I've seen in terms of fixing it up. And you can see right now we just need to fold the entire thing. It is not like what we used to have tents wherein there are a lot of things needs to be installed. Quick, faster, and you can get everything done quickly. So if you like this channel, do like and share my channel. I have been doing a lot of travel also along with this uh, tent, and we have been traveling to different locations for doing camping. So stay tuned with the campaign. Watch out my old channels where we have done the campaign. We have been to Yelagiri, we have been to Camp Monk. We have a further plans of going down to either Chikmagalur or some other locations, just to make sure that we utilize the entire thing. So if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe my channel. It helps me a lot to actually make sure that I keep giving you something better. And thank you. Enjoy, and have a happy day.